Hello guys. Just just wanted to make sure everything should be fine. This is good, man. The weight is going toward up side. This is good. Um, yeah, I hope everything is fine. I hope you guys could hear me. And then watching this charts very closely. I started watching the charts in here. I was pretty much bullish in here as well, considering this is bottom, this is bottom. I was like these lows. Market could be bullish from here, or maybe just could come down, disrupt these lows. I would have been confident it is going up. From this range as well, I was anticipating the same thing. Could just go up from here, or maybe disrupt these local lows, then go up as well. I would have been like really too much confident if it would have like come down, just disrupt these lows, these two local lows, then go. I was like hoping for the market to not to go up aggressively from here. Because the element of time was not there as well. 9:30, no, it was 8:30, and it just went toward a pasar from here. And so far, this is what I was thinking about in here when it was trading. I was like, it will be great if market for half an hour, 2 o'clock. It was 2 o'clock, around about 9. You can say half an hour, spend some time at this range and not to knock this high. And then I will be looking for in the morning session for the continuation toward upper side. But this is how it is performing right now so far. Like I'm pretty much bullish today whole day. um I will tell you how I am bullish on a bigger picture time frame. First of all, I was not confident the way we open on for daily time frame in here. I was not really confident on that. And then it was running in here at that point. I was like, if it has to knock, this was this daily open in here. If it has to knock all of those highs, it should never have to go below this low, never have to go below this low. This 4 hour, I mean, this 4 hour time from candle close, I'm like, it should never have to go below this low. And then if we go further low levels, this is this 4 hour time frame level, and then these are these 1 hour time frame levels. I was like, if it has to never have to go below this low, then it has to never have to go below these lows. Go to 30-minute time frame, these levels, it should never have to go below these lows. Go to 15-minute time frame, it should never have to go below these lows. So this is the point I was less watching in here. This is this 15-minute time frame failure gap as well. I was as we was just discussing in here. This is the level I was watching. Like this blue line, I was like, if it has to go up, it should never have to go below these lows, like 64. This level. And this was this 15-minute time frame failure gap. I was like, inside this range, I was like, when I saw these two candles, I'm like, you can buy, but the element of time is not there. It is 8 o'clock. Market open at 9:30. It would be great. I was like, before the opening, it continued to remain sideways or chop at this range. I was hoping for it. I was hoping for it. What is it? I think it's fine. Yeah. So I was hoping or anticipating like it just give me this lower high, this range, failure to go below this low. I'll be confident to buy. It just went all up aside from here. Can't do anything about this. You have to wait for the what is it? What is it? What is happening, man? So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. It is it went so far. I'm still bullish on charts. I'm still bullish on charts. This new session. I wanted to see market should have to go toward upper side. Give me all of those highs. This high, this high, and this high, which is around about 65, 500 from here. This is what I'm looking for. Overall, everything is bullish. Everything is telling me it wants to go toward upper side, so I'm bullish. And then yeah, so far for now, I'm anticipating this is this. Look at this the way it has tapped into this 15-minute time from fair value gap, which is this is a great candle, which is this low. If you could see in here, and I wanted to highlight this low from here to here. This is this 15-minute time frame fairly gap high, and then I'm looking for this previous high and then 65 500 from here. Let's see. It's 9:27 right now. 3 minutes left for the opening bell. So don't need to rush anything. Don't need to do anything. Just um, remain focused on yourself. That's it. I'm at a terrible spot right now, man. These people are fucking crazy. Yeah, for me personally, this is what I wanted to see if that's why we have highlighted these levels. It will be absolutely amazing if market come down close to those levels and then go up. If it could just go up from here, and then look at this. This is this 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well. 3 minute time frame. Maybe it is this kind of day that market is aggressive, and then it needs to make retest and then go up. This is what I was just considering, but ideal trade for me right now, I have to wait. I can only wait. Yes, I can buy in here. This I would not be happy to be buying in here. Yes, it can just be like, oh, um yeah, it can just go up from here, knocking all of those highs. Like in that case, I cannot do anything. I can only, like, for me, I'm not confident to put my stop loss below these lows. 0% confident. Yes, I do anticipate it could be aggressive bullish price action today is kind of day, could be, but you'll for me, ideal trade, and then because I can push buttons, because, like, for example, if I wanted to trade in here, just a second. And for now, I have zero present confidence to be in any kind of trade right now at the moment. It's just 9:30 now. I wanted to see at least 10-15 minutes initially. How could be the volatility on just if I would have entered in here, that was considering to take a swing buy position in here for this session, for this whole session. Um, yeah, I was considering this range to, like, take a swing long position for just this session. Maybe for tomorrow or Friday as well. Maybe it has to go to all the way to 68K from here. All of those highs, these highs. But look at this. Oh man, uh, you, you feel bad initially. Like I would, I'm feeling bad because I feel like I'm missing, but can't do anything, man. That's why you have to be understanding. You have to have a very good understanding of the market. You have to know, like today is this kind of day. You just have to enter a market before the opening and just let it run. And yeah, and you have to know that when it got this kind of, like, look at this. We have seen today it was already going up before opening. I have seen quite a bit of time these things happen, but you never know when this will happen. This is what we have to predict or anticipate, watching all of those scenarios overall on a market. Especially the element of time is very important on trading. And yeah, I was just considering, man, like this is good. I'm up. I'm not feeling like this is so bad, because I have seen couple of times this happened before, and then now I know these things happened. These things do repeat in trading. Now I knew. Now I'm on. This is what I was watching yesterday. When it were this throughout Asian session, then the session market make retest. I'll be buying. And then when I opened the charts, it was trading in here. I was like, bro, this is your bottom. This is my low. This is my bottom. Bottom. It has to go up. I'm already bullish. And then I was considering, can I buy for like this swing trade for this session? Stop loss will be below this low. Looking for these highs. This session market should have to be bullish. I was considering this, but I was not really confident, I would say. And then the other thing is like your gut is you what your gut is telling you. It is very important as well. Mm. I have so many things to do right now. I'm not saying anything, guys. Right, I'm just watching. Which is, look at this. How would you feel at this point? Like if you wanted to take aggressive trade in here. Um, for example, you're just already bullish, and then you took. Yes, ideally, I would say this could have been into your trade before the opening bell. From here to this, that's it. And then I would say I think you should have to be out from market. Um, wait for the opening bell, like how it will perform. Maybe continue to be bullish, but you should have to be out. But now I'm considering two possibilities. Either way, market has done what it has to do before the opening. Just gone above this high. That's it. It will not go above this high. And you have to know this is this 4 hour time frame filling gap high as well, and it will remain complete chop throughout this session. But everybody would have been pushing buttons. Oh, it is going up. It will not go up, or maybe it remains sideways or bearish. Look at this, and this could be it. You cannot deny this. And then uh, the first possibility, as we was considering, I am considering right now, is like continuation toward a passar to try to give me these three highs as well. These three weekly highs, one, two, three. These three weekly highs as well, and it may not give us these highs because if you could see in here, look at this. Market did not wants to go above any of those highs. If you could see in here, did not want to go above this high. If you could see this candle, if you could see this candle, and look at this rejection, man. And yeah, it could just reverse as well because it has done what it has to do. It has to go toward. It wants to go to above this high, which is what it has done. That's it. And then I can see this could be a valid bearish divergence as well. This could be, look at this. This could be bearish divergence as well. Higher, 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 low, higher, low. So I think we have to sit still. Hmm. Let's see how it will do in here. Because right now, like, to anticipate, because I was just considering if market could come down after the opening, fail to go down below this low, I will be looking for the previous highs and this highs, and then it just after the opening it went up. Now I'm not really confident on these highs as well. Like in a sense that may not go above these highs. And the way it has opened gone up, it could completely reverse as well, or maybe remain sharp as well. We have to be either one-sided on charts. I'm still one-sided, and like I'm still bullish. I'm still looking for the we're still looking for these highs, but let's see. But the way it has shown rejection, it not seems to me that it wants to go up. High, high. Still, we have not gone down below this low, which is this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. 15-minute time frame low. Let's see how this 4 hour time frame, 4 minute left. So um, how it will close. I have to be leery, man. Not to be pushy. Not to be pushy on this kind of raise. 64,780. This is a good bounce. And then it's still, this is a good candle, man. This is a good 15-minute time frame candle close. Let's wait for this candle to close. I'll be anticipating this is my bottom, 780. Not in a rush, don't need to push any kind of irrational buttons. Just watching and observing right now. So we have this first 15-minute time from candle close, which is a good candle close. If you could see in here, it has failed to go below the previous 15-minute time frame candle, and then tabbed into this 15-minute hourly gap as well, and we are already bullish. So I'm already looking for 65 500 around about for bullish case scenario. So this is my bottom right now, 64 780 right now, and I'm looking to buy. It will be absolutely amazing if market come down from here to this range, failed to go down below this low, hold this area. I will close my eyes and buy, man, for all of those highs, 65 500. I'll close my eyes, use highest of the highest leverage, and then buy. And it is possible as well because I can see the element of time as well. um Element of time is there as well, so let's see. Patience as a virtue. Could go up from here like that. I cannot do anything because I'm not willing to buy in here and put my stop loss in here. I have 0% confident to put my stop loss below this low, and then I cannot buy in here and put my stop loss here because I'll be risking way too much. 5 minute time frame is great. Look at this. This is like bullish order block. This red candle, like the way it is telling me it wants to go up, man. You can just buy. You can't take this trade. This will be aggressive trade. Keeping the same full gap open. If you could go to 5 minute time frame as well. This is not a bad trade, man. By the way, in here, putting stop loss in here, looking for all of those highs. This is also either way not a bad trade. You're entering around about 65 and then putting a stop loss 780, 800 approximate. So let's see. Let's see if it has a potential to play around. This is what it is. I was like, bro, it is great. Like, it would be absolutely amazing still market not to go above this high, come down, make retest, hold this area, fail to go down below this low. It will be absolutely amazing. And then it don't needs to do this, by the way. It could just be bullish from here as well. The way we have seen it bounce from here, and then in that case, you should never have to go below this low. 794.9 and then 979.3. Let's see. I'm anticipating this aggressive bullish price action from here, and then let's anticipate this aggressive trade. For example, we're buying in here. We have seen market get the bounce. This is my bottom already. It has just tapped into this 1 minute after fairly gap, going up. This is this 15-minute time, 5 minute time from bullish order block as well. 3 minute time from fair value gap. I wanted to see it should have to keep it open like this, and if it has to keep it open, then my stop loss is very tight below this low aggressive trade. Let's see. which has played out. And you can put your stop loss below this low as well, just to give yourself a little bit of chance. Just wait patiently. Yeah, there's always two possibilities. Either way, when market is going on either direction, aggressive trade or wait. So, for example, if you wanted to take aggressive trade, you have to like should have to do not have to close below this 1 minute after failure gap. This one. If this is aggressive, and then it should have to respect this value gap. I would anticipate it should keep this value gap open, then go up, hold the area, be bullish from here. In that case, your stop loss should be tight in here because you're taking aggressive trade. Your stop loss should be aggressive, and then your entry should be aggressive, your exit should be aggressive as well. And the second possibility is if it could just make retest, hold the area, then be bullish. You can look for the bullish as well. You can take this trade, by the way. This will be aggressive trade. 5 minute time from close as well, like this. This is a bullish order block. You can take this trade, man. Put your stop loss below is low. Let's see. It's a small trade. Initial stop loss out. Just you have to give yourself a little bit of chance. So I'm putting my stop loss below this 3 minute time frame. I'm pretty much in content with this as well, that it could do like this as well. Anticipating it should have to do like this right now. That's why I'm pretty much stop loss below this low. Let's see. This is the aggressive trade, by the way, I've taken. So, which is what I'm not willing to take on my personal account. But this is not a bad trade as well. I can see that. It's 1451. Ideally, yeah. Ideally, I would say that your stop loss below this low is great stop loss. 64, 780. Look at this 15-minute time frame. You should have to be bullish, but you have to be a little bit of patience as well in here. For me, I'm just waiting for this like to come down to this range, hold this area, fail to go down below this low. I'll close my eyes and buy. This is what I'm looking for. If we just go up, can't do anything. Let's see. Yeah, if you do come down to this range, I may look to add, but it should give me strength. It should show me strength in this range. How would you feel at this point, for example, like when I was like looking for market from here to go up like this and stop loss there, this aggressive trade did not play it out. So far, till now, I've just anticipated aggressive trade in here when it closed like this for continuation to whatever side did not play it out. So, and also, yeah, I cannot push buttons because I'm not right now. I'm looking for to buy at this range. My stop loss will be below this low, and I'll be looking for all of those highs. And bigger picture time frame is telling me it wants to go up. Look at this 15-minute time frame candle, man. 30-minute time frame. We have 5 minutes left. And yeah, you always have a two possibilities, like either way 950 to 1010. Yeah, so 950 to 1010, I am looking for all of those highs. And I just want to highlight this 1010 is in here. Let's see. You can still buy in here, put your stop loss below this low, which is not a bad trade as well. 65 stop loss will be 64,800. But ideally, like, obvious trade for me would be come down, trade close to this low, fail to go down below this low, then be bullish. Ideal and obvious trade. This is what I wanted to take only, that's it. Yes, I've taken this trade. Um this is on demo, so I've seen so many times when market give you an ideal trade, that's the best trades. So far, I have a 0% confidence to put my stop loss below these lows to buy, and I cannot put here because I'm risking way too much. Yeah, first 10 minutes of this next hour, 10 o'clock, will be interesting to watch. Will be interesting to watch. Look at these candles, by the way. I think the market is waiting for the element of time. If this would have been aggressively bullish, it would have already went up. Why spending too much time here? Still, it could it could just do like this as well. It just do like this as well. For me, ideal trade would have been if market come down, then go up like this. Failure to go down below this. Look at low high. Should have to get low high in here. This is This is the ideal trade, obvious trade. I'm looking for this one. This one. Let's see. I have 0% confident like I've missed any kind of trade or anything. 0% feel that kind of feeling because I know what I'm looking for, and then if market is not willing to give me what I'm looking for, I'm out. I'm not touching it. I prefer to be staying out. And for example, if market went to order aside from here like this, I will not feel bad at all. I will not feel bad at all. Yes, you can say that we have emotions. We have. I'll be like, oh, but this is what not I was looking for. So we have this 5 minute time frame and hourly candle close as well. Everything quickly wanted to rewind all those. Um, I'm looking for all of those highs, man. These highs, these two highs, these highs as well. 65, 700, 800. This is what I'm looking for in this session. Market may not give us these highs. Who knows? But I'm looking for it. Considering, look at this, the way it closed on 30-minute time frame, closed on 15-minute time frame. Look at these candles, man. For last like 15 minutes. This is a good 1 minute time frame kind of close, but still I'm not willing to risk anything. Yeah, on it. This is not a good trade I've taken in here. I usually prefer not to be taking these kind of trades, and I just risk it because it was in demo, and then now your stop loss should be tight. For example, if you're anticipating these are your bottoms, these two lows, I'm still not confident, man. Then you should never have to go below these lows, and then yeah, I think I should do this. This is good trading, I would say. Whatever we have done so far on charts, they have done a great job. I would say great job. I was keep on telling you guys as well. You can buy in here, putting a stop loss below this low, or maybe these low, because my bottom is this one, and this is not a bad trade, but for me, the ideal, the obvious, the yeah, I was telling myself because I'm not confident on these lows, because not confident on these lows. Ideal for me trade is if market give me lower high at this range, give me a wick at this range, then go up. It did not give us this wick. It would happen, and then I think I should have to close this. And yeah, this was just this normal trade, I would say. This is not a good trade I've taken. I'm not happy with this. That's why we highlighted this. I was like, bro, it would be absolutely amazing if market come down, because this green line I was watching as well. This 4 out of really gap high could create lower high, and then I will be looking to buy. Stop loss will be below this low, and it could always give us these kind of trades as well. But let's see. Look at this, man. It's just open and went up. I never felt like I have missed this trade. I was 0% this feeling. Oh, I missed this trade or this that. No, because this is what I was not looking for. Can't do anything. I was looking for it like I can buy in here. But I'm like no. But this is what we was looking forward, to pull it out. Just watching and observing. Now cannot do anything, man. Still, I would say that if market has to knock all of those highs, still nothing bad has happened, man. Still, there is opportunity. It's 15.15. Looking for these highs. This 5 minute traffic gap. Just anticipating this aggressive long position in here. My stop loss will be below this low. It should have to keep this 5 minute traffic gap open. Let's see. I'm not willing to take this trade, but let's see. They always anticipate, watch, and observe, and then look for a trade. So for now, just anticipating. Let's see, man. Let's see how this candle will close. It's 3:15, 10:18 now. Sorry. If it has to keep this value gap open, like it should never have to go below this low. 65,300. So you have to give me 65, 800, 700, something from here. This is what it is I'm looking for. Now it should never have to go below this low, no matter what. And this is the fairly gap. Should I take this trade? It will be aggressive trade. You can take this trade because you are already bullish. Your stop loss should be tight. Let's see if it has a better play out. Um, 410, 300. Because you're risking very small amount. Should I take this trade or should I have to wait? I will be looking for like 65, 600, 700 from here. This is not a bad trade if I take this trade because it is already going up. So uh, um, keep this 500 definitely gap open, which is aggressive trade. Yeah, it will be absolutely amazing if we just come down, create a wick inside this range, and then hold this area. Let's see. Yeah, it would be absolutely amazing if market just come down and did not closed below this 1 minute time frame fail gap, hold this area. I will be confident, yeah, it wants to go up now, and this level is respecting for the continuation toward upper side. And it's 321. Just be patient. Just be patient. I was listening to locked in, which is you can say locked in. That's nice. Hold this area, man. Oh, how would you feel at this point, man? Let's see how this candle will close. Oh, got stopped out. Look at this. I was just looking to go for a buy position in here. How would you feel at this point, like going doing these kind of trades? Which is bad. You should not be doing these kind of trades. Either way, this is always has been like that. Look at this. Another trade we have anticipated did not play out. So we anticipate two trades. Both of them was aggressive, and both of them did not play out. There is this one trade we do anticipate in here as well. Like was waiting for it to come down. It did not come down. So chill. Because I'm looking for 65.5, 65.8 something in here from here. Yeah. And considering the way this 50-minute time frame, this is already telling me it is aggressive. Market is aggressive. Like market wants to go up. I would not say it is aggressive, but let's see how this candle will close. This will be interesting to see. If it went up now, like this, like 293.5, let's anticipate another long. Now my stop loss is below this low. Look at this. This is very slow price action. I was just about to push buttons, man. That's how you save yourself. Because if this would have been aggressively bullish, it would have never come down below this low. And then now, out is spending too much time in here. When it is aggressive, like it should not have to spend too much time. Just have to go up. And then yeah, we and also like this is what we was just watching yesterday as well. Either way, we have two possibilities on charts in a given trend. Either way, market is going upward side or downward side. It has a potential to be like, fuck you, man. This internet is a piece of shit. Either way, it has a potential to be more of like uh, continue to be aggressively bullish or make a retest then go up. And then yeah, and then at this point I was thinking about it. If it is aggressive, it should not have to go below this low. Just went down, and then spending too much time in here. Still, let's see how this candle close. So yeah, look at this. The video is closed now. Let's see again. Um, Long position. Stop loss there. Still looking for 65, 500. 301.1. It's yeah, 330 as well. How would you feel at this point? Like you are watching this price action market is quite aggressive going toward upper side, and you are anticipating continuation toward upper side to be aggressive, and then we do anticipate a trade in here got stopped out. And at this range we do anticipate a trade stopped out. Now still we have not gone down below this low. Again we have anticipated this trade, stop loss there, but it is not willing to go up. But you have taken aggressive trade. Aggressive trade means you have to be aggressive at entry, stop loss, take profit, and market should have to be aggressive. But it has been a quite a time. Market is spending too much time in here. So this is no more aggressive trade. In that case, you either have to be stay out, not to be trading, or close your position. You can, but you can stop out as well on this trade. It is fine to get stopped out on this trade. Like you have to get stopped out to learn. Um, but as long as you're risking not too much, I think you will be fine. For me personally, I would say I've taken any bad trade this week. No, I have taken no trade this whole week. Just have taken, yeah, it was on Friday. I took one trade on another chart, and that too played out. And I was out yesterday, yeah, on that trade. It was just fine trade. More swing trade I've taken on meme coin. Yeah, yeah. Today I was looking for early in the morning, 2 a.m. on. There was a listing of this robot um, company on China. There was about a list, and then you can trade that stock on hyperliquid at this range. This one, Unitree. This is this humanoid robotic company on China, and then yesterday they was about to list on in Shanghai exchange. It is worth like 50 something, 50 plus billion now. Yeah, I think so. And then if it shows yes, it's so you can trade this on hyperliquid decentralized exchange, and the stocks was already been trading before this, but this company in um, on hyperliquid. So it is decentralized, so you can deposit it by your wallet or something, and then you can trade. It was trading yesterday around about 90k, 90 in this range. I was like, bro, the IPO is coming up. You can buy. And then I was like, bro, IPOs, you don't know, you never know. And then it could dump, it could go up. I can see there was a couple of good news on there, and they said just a couple of days before they tested a robot which has the highest jump, more than human, above 2 meters something, and then there was this 100-meter run for like finished on 7.65 something seconds, a robot. Or they say they are fast. So there was this news going on as well from the same company, robot Unitree. Uh, there was got good news coming up from those companies, and this company is the highest, is the world number one robot seller um, in this whole world. So manufacturing and all that, and then they are looking to launch a robotic games as well. And this company is the supplier of those robots. There was quite good news as well, but I was like, bro, just IPO. You don't know. You never know. I don't trade this, but this could have been a trade as well for me. Like if I was just open position yesterday around what 90, and then you wait for it to IPO. If it is gone up, you're out at this range. Yeah, but if you play high conviction with the high conviction trade with a big capital, you could have made money, man, on this trade. Good amount of money. This is what I'm really looking into right now, really focusing on right now these days. Only looking for high conviction trades, only high conviction, like really high conviction trades, not bullshit like the way we are seeing on today. Oh, this could have been a trade. Why did not take this trade? I was like, no, from here. I'm like, just give me retest and then I'll be looking to go for a buy. It did not give me retest, went up. And same thing in here as well going on. You can buy this trade in here. This could be aggressive trade, but I'm not willing to take this trade. I can only wait for this trade. And then we've taken two trades today. All of them stopped out. One stopped out. One was even. One was profit. Both like even. I think so. Uh, so so look at this, man. So shit. I made money as well on these trades. Look at this. Aiming to take it to 700K. This is good. This is good, but you can't do anything. I cannot do anything. If you can trade if you want to, but I cannot, man. I have to sit still. Just wanted to see how 15 minute. Look at this on 15-minute time. This is a clean chart, man. This is just this clean trading. And look at this. If, for example, you have taken a trade um, before the opening bell, 64 200 to all the way 65 400. Then you don't need to mess up with this like morning session because you already knew in before the opening bell. You already knew it has to go up. You already taken this trade, and you don't need to do anything with this mess. Yeah, just sit still. Remember 15-minute time frame because this is more of like session trade you have taken. So could you give us these highs? Can give us all of those highs as well. If you think of it like this, like you never know, man. You never know like when and what point, what day market have to perform. Like yes, you have seen. I have seen things to repeat, and this is human psychology. We tend to repeat patterns, and this is the thing that applies to everywhere. If you go, we tend to repeat patterns, man. This is human psychology. Still nothing has happened, guys. Still we are there. Still we are looking for 65, 6 point something here. Look at this, man. This is for now. I'm just anticipating a market not to go below this low. Sorry, because we do anticipate a trade in here. Stop loss is there. Now my stop loss is there. Looking for 65, 500. Let's see. So far, everything is aligned that it wants to go up. Look at this, the it has tapped into 15 meter fill gap, third fairly gap. So far, it has not shown anything that it wants to go down. This is 15 meter fairly gap as well. This is good so far, by the way. You don't need to get sad, or you don't need to be feeling like, oh, this done, this is what market has done, this is not. Um, just be patient. Just looking for 65, 700, 800 from here. Anticipating not to go below this low, not to go below this low. And this is the trade we have anticipated in here. It remains very slow. I was like, I'm not confident on these lows. Just give me knock these lows, then go up. I'll be confident. And then market is already going up. It don't needs to knock the previous lows, then go up. You have this is what it is like. You have to know. You have to predict when you have when market has to knock the previous lows, then go up. When when it not have to do this, when it just have to create lower high, which shows market is bullish already, and you can see in here as well, which is not easy to predict, by the way, which is what I don't know for now. But I just got to realize now this is what I have seen back in a day before as well. I remember, and it was on a bigger picture time frame. I used to, because in a trend following nature, when market is aggressively bullish, there's no reason for the market to go down previous lows, then go up. You have to anticipate. It should have to trade very close to the previous lows and not to go down below the previous lows. And this is what we have seen today again, not to go down below the previous, because it was already going up, and then look at this. Let's see. This is good, man. No way. How can you even do this? It is 4 o'clock. No way, man. This market teaches you a lot, man. Sorry guys, I have to finish this last stream. Oh no way, man! Look at this. Feeling bad. We've taken a trade in here. I close in here, which is bad. Um, well, oh my goodness, man. No way. How can you say this was a bad trade in here? It happens like yesterday as well. Yesterday as well, it was like that. A long position, for example, in here. I was willing to put my stop loss in here, 700 something. Then all the way in here. This was a great trade, man. Great trade. You have to do what? You have to just remain on 5 minute time frame because 1 minute time frame is a mess. Look at this. Because 1 minute time frame is a mess. Is a mess. 1 minute time frame. I missed a very good trade, man. I'm not feeling like I missed this trade, but I was looking for it. Would you anticipate this is my bottom? I'm like, bro, just give me a low in here. I'm buying. Just went up. And then at this point as well, like, was buying, not buying. Can't do anything. This is what it is. You have to know when market have to make retest, create lows, create lower high, then go up. When market has to not to create lower high, then go up. When it has to make retest close to the previous lows, then go up. For me, like personally, it would have been a great, like if at this point, as we was watching, if market were, I was just telling you guys, like, you can take this trade in here. This is not a bad trade as well, buying in here, but I'll be risking way too much if I put my stop loss in here below these lows. I was like, and then it will be great if market just come down, close, trade close to this low, and then get the bounce.